In this quick video, I'll show you how to fill selection with color in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, select your layer and then make a selection on your canvas. For that you can use this marquee tool, draw a selection, and once you draw your selection, go to edit and from here choose fill, and then we need to select here contents to color. And if you want to have your foreground color, then you can choose it as well. I want to make it color, so for that I'll select it, and now choose the color which you want to use for your selection. I'll simply pick this color and then hit OK, and now you can choose your blend mode as well. Once you are happy with it, tap on OK. Now to deselect this selection, right click on your selection and then tap on deselect, and your selection will be deselected. You can also add a stroke for your selection. For that, make a selection, then go to edit, and this time instead of fill, we'll choose here stroke, and then you can choose the width for your stroke. Pick the color for your stroke as well. I'll make it blue this time, then hit OK, and choose location for your stroke. If you want to add it inside, then choose inside. You can make it center as well, or you can place it on outside. Choose your blend mode. Once you are done with it, tap on OK. There you go, I have added stroke on my selection as well. Personally, I won't recommend you this fill method because it will only paint on your canvas. Instead of that, you can use this tool, which is rectangular tool, and you can draw any shape on your canvas, and you can change the color in future as well. For that, double tap on your shape from layer and change the color from here. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.